Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a value education lesson number 6, that is be honest. Everyone works to earn a living. Your parents work, your teachers work, the gardener in your school works, the sweeper in the school works. Yes, children, all have their own dignity of work, and all those, maybe the sweeper, maybe the gardener, teachers, or whatever your parents work, each one has a respect and dignity for his work. Not the sweeper work is very low work, nothing. They help us to clean the school. Gardener, they look after the garden. Your teachers, they teach you. So these all your parents, they earn for you. They go for the work. Okay. So these people, they have their own dignity, children. They have their own respect in the society. We must not compare anybody's work. Okay. Now, on your way to school, you find people going to work. Work differs. Some people work in offices, some work in fields, and some sell things in the market. Some work at radio stations and television centers. Yes, children. So, here what happens? Now you are going to school, okay? As you're coming, so many will be moving on the road here, there. Some goes to the office, some will go to the field, some will go to the market to sell the things, some may go at the radio stations or television centers or whatever maybe. Some go for a hospital also, some go for a police station, some go for the post. So many things are there, children. Differs means changes. Okay, now I am a teacher. Your father may be officer or a doctor or whatever he is working. Okay, so my work and his work differs, changes. You must follow the dictum work is worship. The way you do your work is more important than the work itself. Yes, children, you must follow this always. Work is worship. Means whatever you do the work, it should be very prompt. Whichever work you do, it should have some effort and effect of your work on somebody. Everybody should praise your work. So work is worship. You have to keep those work as a god. You have to devote the work as a god. Now I gave you one homework. So you will have that, oh, my miss has told, so I have to do the work. So that is a devotee of work you have on the homework or whatever your teacher's word. Okay, children, so work is worship. It is more important what you are doing, which is it is good or bad, everything. Some workers devote less time to their work. Yes, children. Some workers, they don't have more time to give them to the work. Okay. Venu works in the field. Venu works in the field. He had been engaged to work for 8 hours every day, but he works only 6 hours. See, children, whatever work is assigned to us or for so many hours, we have to work. We cannot escape from any work. See, children, here Venu is a man who works in the field. So he has his duty for 8 hours. But what he is doing? He is doing only for 6 hours. At the end of the day, he receives wages for 8 hours of work. He cheats the employer for 2 hours of the work. He receives wages. Children, wages, receives means getting. Wages means money, salary. Okay. See, children, he is telling his boss that I have worked only for 8 hours. But he is working only for 6 hours. And he is getting a salary for how many hours? 8 hours only. He cheats his employer. Who is the employer? Employer is a person who gave the work to Venu. Okay. So, you must not cheat his employer who has given the work. Now children, some employers give their workers less wages. Now here employer, who is the employer? Who give the job. They give the job but give the less salary. Wages means some have daily salary children. Daily wages they'll get. Daily the money they will get from their boss. Okay. Mr. Chaco hires Mr. Vimal to work in his field. So he is a Mr. Chaco. He hires Vimal to work in his field. They agree for a payment of rupees how much? 150 for 8 hours of the work. Mr. Vimal works for 8 hours. He comes for the wages in the evening. Yes children. For this payment he is working for the 8 hours and he is coming in the evening also. Now Mr. Chaco says, Vimal, you did not work hard. Take rupees 130 and go home. Mr. Vimal says, but sir, I worked very hard for 8 hours. But the employer does not agree. Finally, Mr. Vimal, the worker, had to take rupees 130 only. The employer cheated the worker by 20 rupees. Children, here two types of employer and who is that worker we can see. Here Vimal is working. Okay, but still he is getting less amount. But what he has told, 150 only will get. But how much Chaco has given him? 130. So it is wrong. So this boss had cheated Vimal by 20 rupees. Mr. Vimal, the laborer, was working not only for himself but for his whole family. Yes, children, not only we, all the people who are there and who work, they work for their family. His employer thus cheated Mr. Vimal and his family. Yes, children, 20 rupees less means here Vimal should run his life. Okay, he cannot run only with the 130 and he has agreed for the work for 150. So 20 rupees, who is cheating? Employer is cheating the Vimal. The worker must do the job honestly. The employer also must pay the wages honestly. Yes, children. Here the worker, the employee and the employer. Employee means worker. Employer means boss. Okay. So both should work hard. If the worker is working hard, then the employer should give his salary properly. Okay. Now in this lesson what you have learned? To be honest. So today we will stop this and I will teach you the exercise in the next class. Thank you.